So now we're moving on to notices from the court. So you've been given a notice, or hopefully you've been given a notice, and so we've passed the point where the landlord was supposed to have given you a notice. Now the landlord's filed an action with the court. So the first notice from the court is called a rule to vacate. Like I said, I did include pictures from the SC Court website for you to view. It's typically with an application for ejectment. The application for ejectment is what the landlord fills out. It's, basically, this is why I'm filing this action. The rule to vacate is what you should be getting in the mail. And a lot of times, what really throws people off with this notice is that it says failure to vacate the premises or respond within 10 days may result in the issuance of a writ of ejectment. And a lot of people get stuck on the first option, which is to vacate. But that's just one of the options. You can either vacate or request a hearing. And also it's important to note that you need to, if you're going to request a hearing, you need to request a hearing with 10 days after you are served, within that 10-day period after you are served. So that's important to keep in mind, that you do have an option. If you want to leave, you can do that. If you want to request a hearing and defend yourself against the eviction, explain why you should not be evicted in court and just have your day in court, you should request a hearing within that 10-day period. So now I'm moving on to a writ of ejectment. I've also included that on the slide from the SC Court's website. This is after, if the judge rules in favor of the landlord, they issue a writ of ejectment. You have as little as a tenant would have as little as 24 hours to vacate after being served with the writ of ejectment. And, they can either vacate or appeal the eviction decision. So there, of course, once again, are two options: vacate if that's what you would like to do, or if you want to appeal, challenge the judge's decision, and if you believe the court did something wrong, of course, you have that right to appeal the eviction decision in that case.